starting exercise 8b. First problem, using factor theorem, show that. Already we have done factor theorem in the 8th exercise itself. Once again we are doing factor theorem. First bit, second bit you do by yourself. Third bit I am doing. 3x minus 2 is a factor of 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Solution given. To show that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. What is f of x? The given polynomial 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Equating 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We get the value of x as 2 by 3. Substitute in the place of x 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube. Whole cube into the sense, this cube is for numerator as well as denominator. Don't forget this one. Plus 2 by 3 whole square. Same. Numerator as well as square is for both. Minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. 3 into 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Plus 2 by 3 whole square. 2 2 is 4. 3 3 is 9. Plus into minus minus 20 into 2 by 3. Plus 12 is equal to 8 by 9. How? 3 goes in 27 9 times. So 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 20 into 2. Here this is numerator. 20 by 1 is there. So multiply numerator with numerator. Here denominator is not there. Not there in the sense 1 is there. 1 3 is 3 only. So some will multiply this one numerator and denominator. No. This is 20 by 1. So 20 into 2 is 40 by 3 plus 12. Addition of a fraction or subtraction of a fraction, we have to take the method of LCM. Here the highest number is 9. Otherwise side you find LCM for 9, 9 and 3. You will get 9 as LCM. 9 goes in 9 one time, 180 is 8. 9 goes in 9 one times, 4 1 is 4. 3 goes in 9 3 times. Here minus is there, here also minus. 43s are 120. 9 goes 3 times. 3 goes in 9. 3 3s are 9. So 40 into 3, 140. Here plus is there, keep plus. Here nothing is there means what I told you? 1. 1 9 is 9. 9 12s are 108. Now we are adding all the positives. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 108, 120 minus 120. 120 minus 120 is 0. 0 by 9 is equal to 0. When we get answer or remainder as 0, we conclude therefore x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, and the last word hence proved you have to write, because they told to show that. We have showed, we have proved. In the first problem, fourth bit, 3 minus 2x is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. We have to show that 3 minus 2x is a factor of. Solution given. To show that 3 minus 2x is a factor of f of x. What is f of x? 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. Equating 3x minus 3 minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x, take from left to right. Minus becomes plus. Now 2x is there. This multiplication comes as division in the denominator. So the value of x is 3 by 2. Bring that 3 by 2 and substitute in the place of x. 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 2 by 3 by 2 whole cube plus 3 by 2 plus 12. 2 into 27 by 8. 3 cube, 2 cube minus 9, 3 3 is 9 and 2 2 is 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. 2 goes in 8 4 times. So 27 by 4 minus 9 9s are 81 and denominator nothing is there here 1 1 4 is 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. LCM here I have done. This is part and parcel of the problem. You have to do LCM for every problem. Here we are having 4 4 2 and here 1 is there. Writing or not writing, no problem. So we are going to find LCM for this denominators. 2 goes 2 times and here 1 time. Again common table is there. So therefore 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4. This is compulsory. You have to find LCM for the previous problem also. So when you add all the positives, you'll get 81. 33 plus 48, 81 minus 81 by 4, 0 by 4. So we got answer 0. 4 goes in 0, 0 times. Therefore, 3 minus 2x is a factor of f of x, hence proved. Problem. Use factor theorem to show that x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 are factors of 2x cube plus x minus 6. Solution given to show that x plus 2 and 2x minus 3 are factors of f of x. What is f of x means? F of x is equal to 2x square plus x minus 6. Equating x plus 2 to 0, x value will be minus 2. So substitute minus 2. 2 into minus 2 whole square plus of minus 2 plus 6. Minus is there, you have to keep compulsory brackets. So now here minus into minus becomes plus. Be careful with negative numbers. Integers, with negative integers you have to be careful. Minus into minus plus 2 2s 4. 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus, minus 2, minus 6. 8, minus 2, minus 6. Both are having same signs. Same signs you have to add and write the same sign. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8, we got 0. When we get 0, therefore x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. So one factor we proved. Coming to the second one. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 goes to right. Plus 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. F of 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 whole square. Plus 3 by 2 minus 6. 2 into 3 3 is 9. 2 square 4. Plus 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 9 by 2. How you got? Here common table 2 goes in 4 2 times. So 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 4. Here 2 will be the LCM. You have to find LCM, that is part and parcel. 2 goes into 1 time, again 2 goes into 1 time. So here 9 plus 3, here 1 is there. 2 goes in 1 2 times. 2 6 are 12. 9 plus 3, 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 2. 2 goes in 0, 0 times. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Hence proved. Third problem, second bit. First bit you do. Second bit. For what value of a is the polynomial 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 exactly divisible by 2x minus 1. Solution given. F of x 2x cube plus ax square plus 11x plus a plus 3 is exactly divisible by 2x minus 1. Underline this word exactly divisible. I'll tell you the meaning of that. Why we have to underline. Now equating 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 1 goes that side plus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus a into 1 by 2 whole square plus 11 into 1 by 2 plus a plus 3 is equal to 0. We have underlined here exactly divisible means the meaning of this word is equal to 0. Indirectly they give. So we have to keep this is equal to. That is the meaning of exactly divisible. Is a factor of or just divisible by. The meaning is equal to 0. Keep in mind. So is equal to 0. So implies already here we got is equal to 0. So we are keeping him implies here. 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube 1 by 8 plus a into 1 by 4 plus 11 into 1 by 2 plus a plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 goes in 8 4 times 1 by 4 plus a1 is a by 4 11 plus 11 by 2 plus a plus 3 is equal to 0. 1 here we are taking LCM as 4. 4 will be the LCM. 1 plus a plus 22 plus 4a plus 12. How we got 4 goes in 4 one time, 1 is 1. 4 goes in 4 one time, 1 is a. 2 goes in 4 2 times, 11 2s are 22. And here nothing is there, 1 is there, 1 4 is for 4 times, 4a. Here also 1 is there, 4 3 is 12 is equal to 0. Now add variables. A plus 4a is 5a. 1 plus 22 plus 12 is plus 35. Do cross multiplication. 5a plus 35 is equal to 0 into 4. We will get 4 zeros are 0. So take this plus 35 that side, minus 35. A is equal to minus 35 by 5. 5 goes in 35 7 times. So minus 7. A is equal to minus 7. Therefore, the value of A is equal to minus 7. Now, fourth problem. What must be subtracted from 16x cube minus 8x square plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor? Solution given. Let the number to be subtracted from f of x be k. Why we selected k means usually when we don't know unknown number we'll think as x. Let the number be x. But here we are not thinking as x because already the given polynomial is in x. The expression is in x. So we change another k. K means constant. So in the place of x we are going to substitute minus 1 by 2. How? Equating 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 1. Plus 1 goes that side. So x is equal to minus half. Now replace 16 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 7 minus k. Subtracted. So we kept minus and we don't know how much. So k is equal to 0. How from where it came? Here they told is a factor of. That's why underline that one. There is a meaning. Is a factor of is equal to 0. Implies 16 into minus 3 times we are multiplying. Minus into minus into minus. So minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. Again minus comes. 1 cube means 1. 2 cube means 8. Minus 8 into here minus we are multiplying 2 times. Minus into minus plus 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4 plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. Now 8 goes in 16 2 times, 4 goes in 8 2 times, 2 goes in 4 2 times plus k plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. Implies here plus into minus, minus 2 1 is 2. Minus is there, plus into plus, plus into minus, again minus 2. Here plus into minus, minus 2 1 is 2. Again we got minus 2. Plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Here you have to be careful. We are not going to multiply. Signs are same. When signs are same, we are going to add and keep the same sign. Minus 6. 2 donkeys, 2 donkeys, 2 donkeys. 6 donkeys. 2 monkeys, 2 monkeys, 2 monkeys. 6 monkeys. We can't add donkey and a monkey. In the same way, opposite signs means we won't add. Here the signs are same. Here you have to be careful. Even I too make two mistake. So you have to be careful. This is not multiplication. Some will think that minus into minus, plus into minus. No. We are going to add. Here you have to be careful. Minus 2, again minus 2. So we are going to add 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. The same sign will come. Plus 7 minus k is equal to 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus k is equal to 0. Now plus 1 goes to right side, from left to right, becomes minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. K is equal to 1. Therefore, the number to be subtracted from f of x is 1.